Hello everybody, I am Dr. Sanjay Sood, a practicing cardiodiabetologist. Today I will be telling you all something regarding the matters of the heart. So for a healthy heart, there are a few things like do's and don'ts. So the few things are do's and don'ts. Why do you need to know it? Because heart disease is preventable and you can do that if you smoke, give up smoking. If you are sedentary, then move and walk. And if you are stressed, then get relaxed. There are 7 simple steps by which you can control or prevent heart disease and live a healthy life. The first one is that you should always quit smoking if you are a smoker. Eat a healthy diet that should be rich in fruits and vegetables, and cut down your carbohydrates and high sodium fat content, and do not take added sugar. If you are sedentary, so you walk. If you don't, please make sure that you walk or take exercise of at least 150 minutes a week. Of moderate intensity exercise is good. If you are overweight, reduce your weight by exercise and diet. You should not increase or keep your weight more than a BMI of 25. If you are a diabetic, control your blood sugar, and your fasting blood sugar should be less than 100, and PP blood sugar or postprandial, that is 2 hours after meal, should be less than 140 milligrams per deciliter. If you are hypertensive, control your blood pressure, and the values should be of 140 by 80 millimeters of mercury. That is, your blood pressure should not be systolic in any way more than 140 millimeters, or diastolic more than 80 millimeters of mercury. So these are a few steps. And your cholesterols, yes, that's also very important, that your cholesterol level should be kept under control, and it should be less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. And if you can follow these simple steps and keep yourself in check, and these 7 simple steps will help you to lead a healthy life. So again, putting it in a very simple way, the ABCDE of keeping your heart healthy will be A, that is age. If your age is above, if you are a female or a woman and age is above 55, or if you are a male and your age is above 45, so you should always, the B, that is your blood pressure, should be controlled, less than 140/80 millimeters of mercury. And the C, that is cholesterol, should be less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. C, also cut down on your cigarettes and cigarette smoking. D is if you have diabetes, keep your blood sugar under control, that is blood sugar of fasting 100 or less, and PP or postprandial of 140 milligram per deciliter or less, and the HbA1c, or the glycosylated hemoglobin, that is the average blood sugar over the past 2 to 3 months, that value should be less than 6.5%, which is expressed in a percentage. And E, that is if you are inactive, you should exercise, and you should keep healthy and follow a regular diet plan. So this is what is going to help you to keep your heart healthy and remain in the best of your health. And if your heart is okay, if your heart is healthy, so everything else will be healthy. So wishing you a happy and healthy heart. Thank you.